Have you ever wondered what makes Indian curry so irresistible? We'll explore 6 essential curry bases that are the heart of Indian cuisine. These bases will elevate your cooking with endless creative possibilities. Unleash your inner chef and dive into the vibrant world of Indian cuisine. Subscribe now and join us on this delicious journey. Your support means everything for us. Join us on this culinary adventure and elevate your cooking game. This sauces pairs well with any cuisine in the world. Let's dive into the 6 mother sauces of Indian cuisine. The sauces include onion tomato masala, makhani gravy, brown onion gravy, white onion gravy, yellow gravy, and red curry gravy. Discover the 6 essential mother sauces of Indian cuisine. We explore each sauce and unlock their secrets to elevate your cooking. From traditional dishes to innovative international recipes, these sauces are your gateway to a flavor explosion. Start with the onion tomato masala, which is known as bhuna masala. The detailed recipe will be in description box. Our master class today is to explaining you each sauces and how to use it. Number 1. Tomato onion masala. This is most essential curry base in Indian cuisine. This sauce base is prepared through a slow cooking process that involves sautéing finely chopped onions with ginger garlic paste and tomato puree. Then infused with a combination of turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, and salt. Once ready and cooled, can keep it in chiller for 3 days and freezer for 3 months. This sauce base can be utilized for the preparation of chicken curries, mutton curries, or various vegetable curries. Begin by sautéing your choice of vegetable or meat, then incorporate the onion tomato masala sauce base. To achieve the desired consistency, incorporate water, coconut milk, stock, or cream as necessary. Allow the mixture to simmer for a duration of 20 to 30 minutes, after which you may refine the seasoning to finalize your dish. This sauce base is like sofrito, mirepoix, or tomato concasse in international cuisine. This sauce base is versatile and can be utilized in a variety of fusion cuisines. Spice up your meals with a fusion twist. Whether you're diving into Italian delights like masala marinara or savoring Indian flavors in curry arrabbiata, there's something for everyone. Don't miss out on the taste explosion of masala quesadillas, zesty masala salsa, and curried tacos. Add a twist to your favorite Mediterranean and Middle Eastern dishes with a dash of spice. Think flavorful masala shakshuka, creamy masala hummus, and a vibrant spiced ratatouille. Who's ready to spice things up? Furthermore, it is suitable for American comfort food applications, such as masala sloppy joes, masala barbecue glaze, and masala meatballs. In Asian cuisine, it works well in masala fried rice, masala bao fillings, and masala ramen broth, showcasing its adaptability across diverse culinary traditions. Check out our second star of the show, the rich and creamy makhani gravy. Keep watching to see how this velvety sauce can elevate your dishes to a whole new level. Makhani gravy is a luxurious base in Indian cuisine. Distinct from a basic onion tomato masala, makhani gravy incorporates minimal onion, emphasizing a slow-cooked tomato puree complemented by butter, cream, cashew paste, and a blend of subtle whole spices. Its rich and buttery aroma is enhanced by dried fenugreek leaves, resulting in a velvety texture and a glossy finish. Butter chicken, paneer makhani, dal makhani, butter prawns, lobster butter masala, and mushroom makhani are prestigious selections that complement makhani gravy exceptionally well. To prepare any of these dishes, the prerequisite is to have your makhani gravy ready. Simply sauté your desired protein in butter, add the makhani gravy, and allow it to simmer to thoroughly cook the protein. Finally, adjust the seasoning to taste before serving. You can elevate a variety of international dishes by incorporating makhani sauce, creating a fusion of flavors. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a fusion feast. From makhani gnocchi to butter chicken pizza, we are taking your favorite dishes to the next level. How about butter chicken quesadillas or creamy makhani mac and cheese? Dive into a world of flavor with makhani nachos, sliders, and even risottos. Which dish are you most excited to try? Comment below. Let us proceed to the third sauce, which is brown onion gravy, well known as golden onion masala. Brown onion gravy is prepared by slowly caramelizing sliced onions with whole spices such as black cardamom, bay leaves, cloves, and cinnamon. The onions are sautéed until they achieve a deep golden brown color, after which they are blended with cashew or melon seed paste, yogurt, and either water or stock to create a rich and flavorful sauce. Classic Indian dishes featuring brown onion gravy include Rogan Josh, korma, nihari, dum aloo, and mutton do pyaza, among others. This sauce, similar to other Indian mother sauces, can also be utilized, which facilitates easier preparation. The potential for incorporating international cuisines is exemplified through dishes such as Indian lamb shank risotto, lamb ragu with choux flavored by golden onion gravy, caramelized shepherd's pie, brown onion burger sauce, and brown onion hot pot, among others. The next base sauce is the white onion gravy, also referred to as Shahi gravy. White onion gravy is a luxurious, delicately spiced, creamy, and subtly sweet curry base, traditionally employed in royal Mughlai cuisine. The preparation resembles that of brown onion gravy, however, the onions should be sautéed until they become translucent without caramelizing. Additionally, cream may be used in place of yogurt, or a combination of both can be utilized to achieve a rich, smooth texture. Classic Indian cuisine featuring white onion gravy includes notable dishes such as Navratan Korma, Shahi Paneer, Malai Kofta, Pasanda, and Safed Mas from Rajasthan, among others. Explore the delicious fusion of flavors with Indian-inspired twists on your favorite dishes with white onion gravy. How about a creamy Indian Alfredo, made by infusing rich white onion gravy into classic Alfredo sauce? Or try a unique white korma lasagna, swapping out traditional white sauce for that savory onion goodness. Don't miss the delightful Indian velouté, or a creamy, flavorful Indian fricassee, enhanced with a touch of white onion gravy. Elevate your culinary game and take your taste buds on an international adventure. Let's proceed to discuss red curry gravy, commonly referred to as lal masala. Red curry gravy is a visually striking and moderately spiced curry base, distinguished by its rich red hue and robust flavor profile. The characteristic color is derived from ripe red tomatoes and Kashmiri red chili. Classic Indian cuisine, featuring red curry gravy, includes lal mas, a spicy mutton curry from Rajasthan, Chettinad-style curries, Kolhapuri chicken, and spicy paneer masala, among others. Transform your meals with the bold flavors of red curry. Swap your usual tomato base for this spicy, aromatic delight and elevate dishes like enchiladas, salsa, shakshuka, chickpea tagine, and even sloppy joes. Get creative in the kitchen and let red curry take your taste buds on an international adventure. The final entry to consider is the yellow gravy, characterized as a mild curry sauce. Unlike makhani or red curry gravies, yellow curry gravy is distinguished by its non-tomato base, relying instead on white onion, cashew nuts or almonds, and the incorporation of yogurt or cream. This variation utilizes whole spices and turmeric to impart both color and a subtle earthy aroma. Classic Indian dishes featuring yellow gravies include Nargisi kofta, chicken korma, badami murg, shahi paneer korma, and vegetable korma. Possibilities for infusing international cuisines include offerings such as golden yellow risotto enhanced with a yellow gravy, yellow curry mac and cheese, and creamy polenta with yellow curry. among others. The creative potential is vast. Feel free to develop your own unique combinations of flavors. Share your culinary journey with us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting cooking tips. Join our community of passionate home chefs today.